The 360 knife block max rotating magnetic block represents the pinnacle of kitchen organization by combining sophisticated aesthetics with unparalleled functionality. Standing at 12 inches tall, this handmade piece is crafted in Washington and features an innovative rotating base that allows for seamless access to your cutlery from any angle. Its sleek black finish makes it a striking addition to any modern countertop, while the heavy-duty design ensures stability during everyday use. This premium tool has earned prestigious recognition from industry leaders including Serious Eats, Food and Wine, and America's Test Kitchen, which have collectively named it the best universal storage solution for home chefs. The 360 knife block max rotating magnetic block utilizes high-strength magnets on all sides to securely hold blades of various shapes and sizes, protecting delicate edges from the dulling effects of traditional slot-based storage. Furthermore, the inclusion of an array of top slots provides additional versatility for storing items like kitchen shears, honing steels, or specialized paring knives that might otherwise clutter your workspace. Durability and craftsmanship are at the core of every unit produced, ensuring that your investment remains a centerpiece of your culinary environment for years to come. By choosing the 360 knife block max rotating magnetic block, you are opting for a high-performance, space-saving accessory that prioritizes both knife longevity and user convenience. Whether you are a professional cook or an enthusiastic home hobbyist, this magnetic block offers the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and professional-grade quality. Pros: holds 20-plus knives, strong neodymium magnets, sturdy 14-pound base, safe one-handed removal. Lifetime guarantee, handmade in Washington State, convenient 360-degree access, compact. Footprint, visible blade identification, fits 12-inch long blades. Cons: not accessible under upper cabinets, cannot be used under cabinets, very heavy at 14 pounds. Features: 360-degree rotation, magnetic knife storage, 12 inches tall, array of top slots, handmade in Washington, universal knife compatibility, sleek black finish, award-winning design. The 360 knife block max rotating magnetic block represents the pinnacle of kitchen organization by combining sophisticated aesthetics with unparalleled functionality. Standing at 12 inches tall, this handmade piece is crafted in Washington and features an innovative rotating base that allows for seamless access to your cutlery from any angle. Its sleek black finish makes it a striking addition to any modern countertop, while the heavy-duty design ensures stability during everyday use. The 360 knife block max offers significant advantages including a large capacity for over 20 knives, strong neodymium magnets for secure storage, and a sturdy 14-pound base that ensures stability while allowing for convenient 360-degree access and one-handed removal. Its compact footprint, visible blade identification, and compatibility with 12-inch blades further enhance its appeal, all backed by a lifetime guarantee and handmade craftsmanship from Washington State. However, the unit is not suitable for placement under upper cabinets, and its substantial 14-pound weight may be considered a disadvantage for some users.